My last Murakami piece has finally arrived, so let's open it up together. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome back. If you're a returning subscriber, my name's Jonathan. I make luxury videos, unboxings, and reviews. And as I mentioned, my last Takashi Murakami piece has finally arrived. So let's open it up together. So diving right into today's video, I cannot contain my excitement just because I didn't actually order this from my original pre-orders. I was stalking the website constantly, and I was manifesting that I was going to be able to get one more piece from this collection, and I needed it to be the multicolor blanc. So I put on all the notify me on my Louis Vuitton app. I reached out to my client advisors and I let them know the list of items that I'm looking to possibly add to my collection if there was a potential restock. And girl, let me tell you, there was secret restocks that nobody was telling us about, because honestly every single week, and it happened to be mostly on the Fridays subsequent to the launches, my Louis Vuitton app was sending me notifications left, right, and center with these restocks. But as to no surprise, every time that I was trying to check out, I was still getting that same error message that we were getting at launch day. So unfortunately I wasn't successful. However, one of my client advisors did come through, and she was amazing. She was sending me constantly restocks that they were happening in stores, any returns that they possibly have received, and this item popped up as available for order. So we ordered it, it went through, and it is here today. So let's go ahead and open it up together. So unfortunately, Murakami packaging seems to be very hard to get right after the launch, and surprisingly, even for the restocks, they didn't have the packaging, which is fine. Hopefully I get some packaging for the next drops. Honestly, I was looking through the lookbooks that were surfacing online. There's not really much that is catching my eye, so I think if I were not to get any pieces from the second or third drop, I would be at Murakami piece, because I got the pieces that I really wanted, and it was mostly from the first drop. So obviously didn't get the shopping bag, which is fine, but I did get the ribbon. Unfortunately, I did not get the tag, which is fine. At least I got one of them. Super cute. Unfortunately, I wish I got more, but you know, at least I got this item, which is what I really wanted. So let's go ahead and open this one up. I'll let you guys look at it first. So full disclosure, I actually seen this piece because when I went to go pick it up in store, I just had to look at it. I could not make it a surprise. So I have seen this piece, but I haven't seen it after I've looked at it in the store. So we'll look at it together. So opening up the box, comes in a dust bag. Any guesses as to what I got? To be honest, I haven't seen many videos of this piece online, so it is, in my opinion, probably one of the more low-key pieces, or high-key pieces, if you know what I mean. Let me go ahead and put this box down. So this is the dust bag that it came in, and I was able to fortunately get, can you guys see? The high-rise bum bag. Oh my god. Even in the store, I didn't really get a chance to look at it really well because I was just super shocked. Oh my god. This is gorgeous. I'm so happy I was able to add a white multicolor piece. Let me go ahead and show you guys up close what it looks like. This is the high-rise bum bag in all its glory. Absolutely amazing. I'm so fortunate I was able to add a white multicolored piece to my collection. In hindsight, I should have pre-ordered one of these from the beginning, so that way I would not be stressing out. First world problems, I know, but you know what? We learn from our mistakes. So this is the bag. Absolutely love the zipper pulls. They're a lot chunkier. This is the raw vachette. And then you'll notice here that the D-rings actually say Louis Vuitton on them. And then back zipper pull. Gorgeous. Show you the inside of the bag. So opening up the bag, you do get a nice suede interior. And it does have the Murakami stamp right there. Super cute. It is not as wide as I thought it would be, the opening, but that's perfectly fine. And then you do get the same suede interior in the back pockets, like so. And it is big enough to fit your phone. But I am currently filming with my phone, so seen videos online and it does fit your phone. But this is super cute. Super happy with this bag. Let's go ahead and show you what it looks like with the bow on. Before I put the bow on, I just want to show you what the bow looks like really up close. I haven't seen anybody show an up close shot of this, so I wanted to show you guys. Honestly, it's the same luggage tag that is on the original high-rise bum bag, but it just has the bow. I wanted to show you that. And this is what the bag looks like with the bow on there. Super cute. I don't know if I'll wear it with the bow or not, but we'll see. It's still great to have it as an option. I do see a lot of people hanging other things from there, but we'll see what I do with it. So the high-rise bum bag, it does come with a strap. We'll put this all on together for you and show you what it looks like on me. So this is what the bag looks like on me, and for reference, I am 5'8". I have it right now on the longest setting, and it actually is quite comfortable. This is how I would normally wear my bum bags, or I would usually wear my bum bags as shoulder bags like this, which I think you could totally do. I think this is a super cute look, and the drop length is really good, in my opinion. So I'm super happy with this. So friends, I actually have a little bit of a confession to make. This is my first Louis Vuitton bag with raw vachetta. So I actually don't know how to go about treating it. Should I be treating it? How do I take care of it? What should I avoid other than water? So if you can help me down in the comment section below, let me know, how do I protect this beauty? I want to maintain her as much as possible and keep her in this pristine condition. So please let me know down in the comment section below, how do I protect this bag to the fullest while still being able to enjoy her? Thank you so much for watching. I really do hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope to catch you in the next one. Bye for now.